Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to remove payment method from iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you try to remove or delete payment method, you will see any kind of error. So in this video I will show you how to remove your payment method without any error and smoothly. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After this, go back, scroll it down, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, now you need to go back. So guys, after this, scroll it down, and from here you need to disconnect your VPN if connected. And now guys, you need to go back. So after that, you need to open your iCloud, and here is the option of payment and shipping. Click on it and you need to wait for some seconds. So guys, after that you will see your payment method here, and simply here you will see remove your card or remove payment method. You need to click on remove card or payment method, and after this your payment method will be removed. So guys, this is the way to remove your debit or credit card. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.